So I'm trenching in my backyard to install a French drain, and I'm using a reciprocating saw to cut through the sod. I know this is going to wreck the blade, so I did buy a 5-pack of cheap blades from Harbor Freight to use. I opted for pruning blades with extra long teeth because I know I'm cutting through dirt and they're going to get dull. I've got about 20 feet of trench to cut through sod, and so we'll compare how dull the blade is when I'm done to one of the brand new blades. Okay, so here goes. I've marked my trench route with string, so I'm just following the string as I cut through the sod. When I'm done with one side, I move the string over and cut the other side. Okay, after cutting both sides, I remove the sod with my flat shovel and then start digging the trench down to its final depth. And absolutely the easiest part of this job was with the reciprocating saw. Okay, that was a cinch, under 5 minutes, and the sod is cut and removed from the trench. Removing the sod with the shovel took way longer, and digging down the trench and carting off the dirt was definitely the most labor-intensive part of the project. All right, now let's compare my Sawzall blade to a brand new one. We'll carefully wipe the dirt off the blade and check them out side by side. Of course, the finish is rubbed off the teeth, but other than that, it doesn't look too bad. You can definitely see the wear on the teeth, but there's still a little life left in it. Now, if you'd like to see the rest of this French drain installation, I've got a video you can check out right here. And if after seeing this video, you feel like I've earned your subscription, you can click the ManCycle logo right here. See you next time.